In this video, I'm going to talk about learn options within Microsoft Power Pages Design Studio. As you see over in the screen, I'm in the Microsoft Power Pages Design Studio, make.powerpages.microsoft.com, and I'm in the Pages section. So under the Pages section, if you see here, there is an icon for learn over here. Now, what does that mean is like when you click on this learn, you will be able to see uh, some guidance around various videos or tutorials which are out of the box available within Microsoft Power Pages. Now, what does that mean is say if I click on first tutorial, that is introduction to Power Pages, it says it's a tutorial, it's a 5 step tutorial. It allows you to get familiar with the various workspaces, watch the tour again at any time. So if I click on it, it's basically a guided navigation tour. So if you see over here, it says welcome to the design studio. Here's where you can view and edit your pages. Okay, so it talks about this main navigation, and it has got a nice visual animation as well. It is a guided tour, so it's one of five. So if I click on next, then it will take me to the second section. It says easily edit or add new sections. So here I can add a section just by following the navigation. Then I click on next, and then I will be able to see the styling of the Power Pages site. So I can choose various color palette from the styling themes option. And if I click on next, then it will show me how to power my site with data by adding tables from Microsoft Dataverse. Then, if I click on next, then the fifth step will come and it says I can preview the site on my PC or a mobile device by just clicking on preview, or how others will see it, to scan this QR code to view the site on your mobile device. And then the final step is like you just need to preview your site. So that's how we do that. Now, if you see here, introduction to Power Pages, we have covered 5 step, and that's why it has given me a nice card which says congratulations on completing intro to Power Pages. Okay. Now, if I go back, I'll see that this is with a green tick mark over here. Similarly, I can follow to the other section. So create a new page for your site, and then I can follow the other various navigational element on creating the pages. And then once I'm done with it, this will be marked as done. So like this, I can cover various tutorials. So it's a nice introductory starting tutorial for people who are pretty much new to Power Pages site. There is a second tab called as videos. So now these videos will give you a step-by-step instruction on how to do various steps for achieving some outcome, like say adding a form to a page, creating multi-step forms, creating a Dataverse form, set access types and privileges, create table permissions, and so on and so forth. So again, this is also a curated content provided for a beginner set of users, but then you can also have a look into it even if you are an advanced user. Sometimes some fundamental concepts gets cleared when you actually start visualizing and viewing the video about various topics. So if I click on set up your brand kit, then it will open a separate window which will allow you to then view the video in a video player, and then from that point onwards you can view the video. So that's basically it about the learn option within Microsoft Power Pages Design Studio. So I would highly recommend you to navigate to the various tutorial, complete the various tutorial which is available within the Design Studio. Navigate to the videos. Some of the work items you may be knowing, some of the work item might be new to you, or some of the work item which you may be doing it in a different way. So it's always a kind of a refresher for the users of Power Pages Design Studio. So that will help you attain various capabilities within the platform. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching.